In this video, we will talk about building your bot using the automatic recording, or AutoRec feature. Please note that the latest version of Stu captures keystrokes as shortcut keys, as opposed to text input operations as shown in this video. However, this video is still useful for you to understand the principles of the AutoRec feature. Let's get started. Inside the File menu of Stu, you see two new buttons and one at the top is the AutoRec. This is the one we play with today. Before starting the auto recording process, however, I would like to note that there are two ways to stop the auto recording process. The first way is to use the key combination, in this case as it's showing in red letters here, use Ctrl-Alt and C. The second way to stop the auto recording is to just come to this Stu icon and click on it. With that, now, let's start AutoRec. Just by clicking this menu right here, makes Stu disappear. Stu has actually gone to the background and he's now waiting for user to take any actions. So how about I come to this box right here, and I type CHROME and I hit return. Now, Chrome starts. So I come to this box right here and I type www.argoslabs.com and I hit return. Next, the top page of our website show up, so let me come here and click download to move to the download section. Okay, let's say that I finished my actions. I come to the Stu icon, 3 screens were recorded. The desktop and Chrome top page and then our website. And in between Stu captured a couple of text input. I think this is okay, so I click this save button. Then Stu shows what it just recorded on the timeline. Now a few things I want you to notice. Number 1, when you use the AutoRec, Stu takes the actions in 3 operations. The first operation is locate image. This tool is to locate your target image on the screen and defines the mouse action such as clicking. The second operation is the text input. And the text input, as you can see, I typed Chrome and Stu recorded it right here. Finally, the third operation, she uses the image match, and this one is a very important operation, because the scenario Stu automatically constructed is based on the screen images, meaning that before I take any action, Stu is making sure the correct image is showing the screen. This is called the verification operations. Stu is smart enough to insert verification before every actions. Now there are a couple of things that the Stu did not do. As you may recall, after I typed Chrome, I pressed a return key but Stu missed it. Stu is designed to ignore special keys as often they have multiple meanings. Now I need to help Stu by bringing in one shortcut key operation and register a return here. The same thing after I typed my URL of our website and Stu again missed it. So I must add it here. The second help we need to give Stu is adjustment of the delay in between operations. The default delay between operations is 500 milliseconds with Stu. Windows takes a long time, especially when starting an application or changing pages on browser. These cases require more delay time to execute the next operation accurately. The delay adjustment is automatically taken care of when a verification operation like image match is inserted. As it has a preset delay of 5 seconds, meaning it's going to wait for 5 seconds for the target image to show up before moving on. If it does not show up within 5 seconds, you can integrate a conditional branching logic to handle the failure. In this example, the bot will wait for this download button for 5 seconds. When you know the browser and a web app may take a bit more than 5 seconds, you can give more time, like 10 seconds, just like so. After making these adjustments, I'm ready to test run my automation. Pam takes the bot now. She starts by typing in Chrome and goes to Google, now typing .argoslabs.com. It goes there. Opens up. And finally click the download. That is how AutoRec works.